With this grant, yes, I'm the Director of Special Education, but this is for all students and all staff, so not one specific subgroup. So we kind of looked at what are the needs at each level.
In order for our students to succeed in the classroom, it's very nice that we do have this sensory room as an opportunity to help our students be able to refocus and regroup and be able to get back in the classroom. So it's amazing that Omro has this advantage in our elementary school for our students.
I feel a lot of people go through high school kind of like masking their emotions, not talking about it. And so when we brought awareness to people's mental health, their struggles, their triumphs, everything in school, we are like, yes, this is such a good idea.
How the staff is feeling and what the staff needs is just as important as what our students need as well. And if they're feeling, overwhelmed, if they're feeling the different stressors that are going on, so will our students. And that's how Project Wellness came into the grant as well, to look at that staff wellness too.
Who is taking care of these teachers that are caring for our children? And really coming from an organizational perspective and that systemic belief that it really trickles down. If our teachers are well, if our administration is well, then our students will reap those benefits as well.
Unfortunately, over winter break, we had some students that perished in a very sad accident. And my heart was very heavy. It was really probably one of the most challenging times that I've had in the last several years. And we came together at one of our meetings, and all of our teachers, we kind of talked about the grief that we were having, and I was having a hard time kind of processing it and getting through it. And the nugget that was passed along was that all grief comes from love, and that twisted that pain that I was feeling into something beautiful of, yes, the reason why I'm feeling so sad is because I loved these students and I felt for them, and it really lifted my spirits. And if I ever got back in that position again, I reminded myself that this is all because I loved them and they were great people. And so that was just one of those things that I just kept carrying with me and reminded myself about, and made that situation just better.
So when we look at all of the different things that came into play, there really was a rhyme and a reason as to why we kind of went those different routes. And the amazing thing about the grant is it's very versatile too. If we see a need, somewhere else, seeing if there's a chance that we can help in that different area as well.